Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like your color-treated hair needs a little extra TLC, especially after those harsh bleaching sessions? Well, today, we're talking about something that might just be the answer to your hair care woes. ANZA Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment. This color-protecting conditioner promises to help extend the life of your color while nurturing dry, damaged hair. If you're someone who loves their vibrant color but hates the damage that often comes with it, keep watching. ANZA's Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment is designed specifically for chemically treated hair. Think bleach, dye, and all the things that can leave your hair feeling dry and brittle. Its key function is to repair the damage done by these harsh processes while also locking in the color you've worked so hard to achieve. The formula is enriched with natural ingredients, which is always a win for those of us who are looking for gentle care without sacrificing performance. It's formulated to restore moisture, reduce breakage, and protect your color for longer, even if your hair has gone through the ringer with bleach and chemical treatments. After using this conditioner for a few weeks, I've got to say, it's been quite the experience. It feels incredibly moisturizing, especially when applied to wet hair, almost like a surge of hydration. My hair feels softer, smoother, and surprisingly stronger after just a few uses. The best part? It doesn't weigh my hair down, which can sometimes happen with moisturizing products, especially for finer hair textures. If you're like me and struggle with frizz or breakage from frequent dyeing, this conditioner helps restore some of the softness and manageability that bleach tends to strip away. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The texture of the conditioner is thick and creamy, but it rinses out without feeling greasy or heavy. It's easy to distribute throughout your hair, and a little goes a long way. So the bottle will last you a decent amount of time, even if you have long hair like mine. It doesn't leave any residue, which is a huge plus when you're using products aimed at nourishing hair without making it look limp. However, if you're someone who prefers a lot of slip in your conditioner, this one might not give you that super slippery feeling you're used to with some other brands. It does hydrate and repair, but if you're looking for something that instantly detangles or offers a lot of ease while you're combing through, you might want to consider pairing it with a leave-in conditioner or detangler after. So let's weigh the pros and cons here. On the plus side, the ANZA Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment offers a great balance of moisturizing and repairing without being too heavy. It's also perfect for color-treated hair, especially if you've had a rough time with bleach damage. The ingredients are natural, and the product delivers on its promise to extend color longevity and improve the overall health of your hair. On the flip side, it might not give you that instant slip that some people want from a conditioner. And while it's great at repairing hair, it might not be the most hydrating option for severely dry hair that's in need of some serious moisture. If you've got extremely damaged hair, you may want to look into pairing it with a more intensive treatment. When it comes to value for money, I think it's reasonable. For a product that's specifically formulated to address color-treated hair and repair bleach damage, the price is quite fair. You're investing in the longevity of your hair color, which can save you money on touch-ups and trips to the salon in the long run. Compared to other color-protecting conditioners on the market, ANZA stands out because it offers a targeted approach for hair that's been through the chemical ringer. Some of the competitors I've tried just don't do enough for damaged strands or don't deliver lasting color protection. ANZA offers a solid balance of both. In terms of packaging, the new bottle design is sleek and functional. The pump dispenser makes it easy to get the right amount of product, which is always a bonus in the shower. For anyone worried about the longevity of the product, I've been using it consistently for a couple of weeks, and I've noticed that it holds up well, no degradation in performance, and the bottle still looks brand new. I would expect this conditioner to last several months, even with frequent use, especially since you don't need a lot of product per wash. In terms of customer support, I've had no issues, but ANZA is known for their strong reputation in the industry. They're quite responsive to customer inquiries, and that's always a good sign if you need help with any product-related questions. If you're on the hunt for more affordable alternatives, There are definitely a few out there, but keep in mind, the more budget-friendly options often don't provide the same level of repair and color protection that ANZA does. If you're looking to preserve your color and make sure your hair stays strong, this conditioner is a worthwhile investment. But if you're on a tighter budget, brands like Pantene or Garnier do offer good alternatives at a lower price point, though you may not get the same level of repair for more severe damage. So, would I recommend ANZA Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment? Absolutely. It's a solid choice for anyone with color-treated hair who's looking to restore and protect their color. The blend of natural ingredients, hydration, and repair makes it a worthwhile product for keeping your hair looking healthy, vibrant, and full of life. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.